Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and a lot of you have been asking me about the next version of Windows 10, which is going to be 20H1 or version 2004. You know, we are right now March 17th, so we're halfway through the month of March. What we know and what is still officially what we know is that version 20H1 or version 2004 of Windows 10, the next version, is still stated to be released in April. But a lot of you have been saying, do you think that what's happening right now with the coronavirus might delay this? It's a good question because we don't actually know of the full impact it has on Microsoft's employees and Microsoft itself right now. You know, one example of how it does affect, YouTube has announced that there will be more AI or machine check of videos, so that some videos might actually be flagged as inappropriate, even though they are, and they're sorry because there's less humans doing the job. So if a big company like YouTube is affected, I think it means Microsoft probably is. What I think is that it might not necessarily, because Windows 10 version 2004 is pretty much a done deal. So there's not a lot to add to it to actually have it pushed out. But definitely it could have an impact. We are in that real moment where it's an unknown. How bad are each company being treated right now? How bad everyone is in what situation due to this really unprecedented situation that's happening? So Microsoft hasn't said anything, and the fact that they announced stuff like, for example, they announced that virtual event, a digital event on March 30th. I think it shows that, no, I think things are still going on schedule for now. It'd be interesting to see if on that digital event of March 30th, they'd announce the name of the next version of Windows 10, April 2004 version, and, you know, April 2020 update. Let's just hope it's not called the Windows 10 Coronavirus Edition. But for now, everything is on track, and Microsoft has changed stuff, has you know, removed some events where people would gather, but has not announced any delays in any of its products or services as of yet. But that's March 17th, and we are still in the growing curve of everything that's happening, and it's kind of a daily thing right now. Whatever you're looking at, every day something changes or something new happens. So we're going to keep an eye on it, and of course we are at the forefront of all of this. Any delays, anything changes, we will let you know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.